All right, what's up, everybody? Thank you for joining this next break. Excited for this one. We have 2026 Donruss Elite. Um, they kind of changed up the Elite Extra Edition. This is kind of the replacement for that. Um, 20 packs, 2 autographs. Hoping to see plenty of color in here, inserts, and so on. Obviously, one of the things that we're looking for here are the pen pal autographs, duals, triples, quads. There are potential for some really good stuff in these boxes. Fairly low priced hobby boxes with some guarantees in them. Always fun to do. Obviously, it's unlicensed, but I don't think anybody will care if they pull one of these pen pals or pull a kaboom. That'd be really good, right? So, let's start ripping it. I know we had some trades. I made the changes on my end. And yeah, we'll just kind of get right to it. Not going to waste a lot of time. Haven't done a whole lot of breaks this summer. I've actually had a super busy summer so far. But hoping to get into it a little bit more as we move forward and push on towards fall. We have 20 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There we are. Should kind of stagger these a little bit, like so. They're just a little uneven. Want them to sit up nice and pretty like so. All right, here we go. First pack. 5 cards per pack. Plenty of cards, obviously. 100 total cards. Nice and shiny. See some classic players like this here. Deion Sanders, that's for the Reds there. Albert Pujols. Love the rainbow foil on these here. There's Hideki Matsui. Prospect Riley Quick. And Eduardo Tate, prospects, orange. It's kind of embossed. Good prospect there for Minnesota. First pack down. They are very shiny. They remind me a lot of, oh, what are they? The Pieces of the Past that are very rainbowy. Let's see, move these ones around to the front. There we go. Cal Ripken. Frank Thomas. Prospect of Caleb Bonnemer. Very good prospect for the White Sox. And we have a rookie card, followed up by an autograph. This is Cosma Akamoto for Toronto, and that's numbered 139 of 199. Power hitting young prospect there from Japan, I believe, for Toronto. And that's going to follow up with a Dave Stewart for the Oakland Athletics. Autograph, genre graphs. Numbered 19 of 99. Look at that. That's pretty. I think it was Deb. I think you had Oakland, if memory serves. So first auto. If you're old like me and you grew up in the 80s, you'll remember Dave Stewart was one of the best pitchers for a good stretch of time there. There we go. Let's look up real quick. I wanted to see that Toronto hit. Who got Toronto? That's Ryan. I don't think Ryan is watching, but congratulations, Ryan. It's a pretty good little rookie hit there. Jacob Wilson, Eddie Murray, Roger Clemens, prospect Kevin McGonigal, rookie card. I think that was Ryan as well. Base rookie, but it looks pretty. And then we're going to get a Jimmy Rollins career best. He had a season of 778 plate appearances, which is just ridiculous. Jimmy Rollins was really good. It was the same time, as a Tigers fan, it was the same time as Curtis Granderson when he was really good. And they were kind of like the same type of player. Lots of home runs, triples, and so on. Don Mattingly. Carter Jensen, rookie. Cam Smith. Gerangelo Sanete. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Apologies. Prospect there. And a Ricky Henderson Dominators wearing the Oakland uniform. That is numbered 259 of 275. So a couple Oakland hits. Athletics for Deb. Love these classic players. So much fun. Robin Yount. Yeah, the Henderson was numbered 259 of 275. Agustin Ramirez. Roberto Alomar. Prospect Travis Pizzana. No RC on that one. Just a prospect card. And career best batting average for Chipper Jones, 364. Pudge Rodriguez. Andy Pettit. Chandler Simpson. Prospect here's Luke Stevenson. And then we're going to get a career best Wade Boggs. 240 hits in 1985 for Boston. That's number 217 of 275. Nice little Boggs hit there. Lots of classic players so far. Boston, that was Nick. Congrats, Nick. John Smoltz, Pedro Martinez, George Foster. Prospect with a bad print line there is Tate Southacene. Got a bad print line. And then a Paul Skeen Spellbound. That's the letter K there, non-numbered. Jimmy Crooks, rookie. Adam Wainwright, Randy Johnson. Cruz Schoolcraft is the prospect, and we get a full throttle, Cameron Schlittler, 100-mile-an-hour pitch velocity. Cool little insert there. They did a really good job on these cards. They look great. They really, really look great. Trying to make up for the fact that they're unlicensed, I believe. Heston Kjerstad, Carlton Fisk, Reggie Jackson for Oakland, Gavin Klein, what is that? Gavin Kylan, and a Barry Larkin Steel Hall, Back to the Future card. Another fun insert. Lots of players from the 80s. Bubba Chandler, rookie. Johnny Bench, Bobby Witt, Slade Caldwell prospect, and Tatsuya Imai rookie card. That is numbered 91 of 199 for Houston. Imai not having the best rookie year, but is talented. Fully expect him to be better next year. Alexander, there you go. All right, next pack. Darryl Strawberry, Aaron Judge, Haesung Kim, Ethan Petrie prospect, and Reggie Jackson, one of those like orangish, bronze embossed cards. These look cool. I like these. These could be trouble for me. I like these ones. Feel like I could potentially start collecting those. Brandon Sproat, rookie. Miguel Cabrera. Peyton Toll, rookie. Charlie Condon, prospect card. And Ethan Holiday, Spellbound, letter L. There you go. Holiday, definitely one of the names we're hoping to see in here. Be pretty cool if you could complete the Spellbound. Bryce Eldridge, rookie. Tatsuya Imai, rookie. Trey Savage, rookie. Kevin Alvarez, prospect. And Paul Skeens, Dominators. A couple years back, would have been Paul Skeens' first year in Elite Extra Edition, I completed the Spellbound for Paul Skeens, and then I sold it. And I really wish I still had it. Christian Moore, Nelson Cruz, Matt Shaw, Xavier Nyans prospect, and pitch velocity, full throttle, Jamie Arnold. Nolan Ryan, Dylan Cruz, Bryce Matthews, prospect is Aaron Escobar, and we get a numbered Robin Yount, 195 to 195 of 199 on that one. Another legend of the game numbered card. Brewers, somebody picked them. Brewers, Steven Ritter, good job. There you go. Numbered hit. James Wood, absolute stud. Jose Canseco was also a stud. Wade Boggs. Riley Quick is the prospect. And Josh Hammond, one of the orange. I just can never remember. You know, I researched the product and I can just never remember what things are called. Still waiting on our second autograph. And I see it, and it's really good. If what I'm seeing is correct. I think I'm seeing something. Okay. That orange, bronze, whatever is not numbered. There have been so far 3 of those in the box. Rhett Lauder, Mike Piazza, Caleb Bonham, Paul Skeens Spellbound, there's an S. And wasn't there a big trade for the Nationals? Right? Michael? There you go, an Eli Willits auto. It's a base Pen Pals auto, red ink, Eli Willits. Boom. Just what you were hoping to see, my friend. Dylan, you made the right choice making that trade. Can't fault that. I do understand your pain. Oh, man. That's a good one, man. That is a good one. And there's something about it, I don't want to linger on it too much, but there's just something about the red ink on there and the fact that he signed over the Elite going up there. I don't know. I like imperfections. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, here we go. Continuing on. Maybe we'll see something else fun. We can hope. Steve Carlton, Yadier Molina, Rod Carew, Kevin McGonigal, another McGonigal here. Same exact card as earlier. And a numbered Ava Arquette to follow that up, which we won't complain about. Ava Arquette, 103 of 199. Nice little Marlins hit there. Don't want to cover up Willits. A couple packs left here. Jimmy Rollins, Chase DeLauder rookie, Dave Winfield. That's black and white. I wonder if that's supposed to be something. Not sure. I've noticed another black and white one, so I don't know if it's just the picture they used. Zaire Hope is the prospect. And one of the orange, bronze, orange, gold, whatever it is there, Ken Griffey Jr. It's a fun one. Corner's not in good shape there. All right, last pack. Can we get a little last pack magic? Can we top the Eli Willits? Probably not, but you never really know. Let's see. Paul O'Neill. Vladimir Guerrero Sr. Byung-Hyun Kim. Franklin Arias, prospect. And an Eli Willits Spellbound to close us out. So there we go. That was a pretty good box, I would say. So a couple numbered rookies, a couple McGonigal rookies. There we go, Nick. Red ink is SP. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's do a little bit of a recap. We get Ricky Henderson numbered to 275 there. Robin Yount to 199. Wade Boggs to 275. Okamoto to 199. Imai to 199. Ava Arquette to 199. We have the Dave Stewart autograph numbered to 99. And obviously the big hit is the Eli Willits red autograph. Congratulations, that's amazing. Got a little bit of whitening on the edge here. A little bit of whitening in the corner there. It's unfortunate, but it's an amazing hit. Hate to take away from it. Make it sound like it's a sucky hit or something. It's not. Let me find you a top loader that's worthy of holding this beautiful card. Thank you for joining, Steven. Thank you to everybody for joining. The irony of this is that when I first posted it and it didn't fill, I almost opened this box for myself. but I did not. Very nice. There you have it. Well, thank you, everybody. Thanks so much. Once again, congratulations to Michael. And in fact, the other autograph, and there were lots of good numbered cards in there. So yeah, it was a fun break for sure. This is a good product. I like it a lot. All right. Once again, thank you, everybody. You all have a good night. I'll post up the video and the break hits tomorrow. So stay tuned for all of that. Good night, everybody.